Hey guys, it's Deborah Bird, your mortgage strategist. I wanted to reach out on this Friday for your Fortune Friday tip. And this tip is for my real estate agent partners and any clients or friends, followers, fans that are following me. If you're in Collin County, here is your real estate report card from your former teacher, Deb. All right. So I wanted to focus on Collin County, but just know if you are a fan, follower, business partner of mine in another county, just shoot me a text or an email and I'll give you your report card. I've got several agent partnerships down in Houston and the Woodlands and Austin and San Antonio. And so you guys just let me know. I'll send you a soft copy of this and you can also post it on your websites and social media. So let's take a deep dive with Collin County and how we're looking. So the median home price, do y'all see this? The median home price in Collin County is almost $400,000. So there's kind of good and bad with that, right? I feel like we've almost outpriced our first-time home buyers because of our market. Now the good is we've had huge appreciation and our, number of buyers and our demand, that's what's been kind of driving the appreciation where it's at. So our median home price for where we live is 400,000, and this is the average price per square foot is $143. Okay, this is great information to have. Now let's look at appreciation. Here's my fortune tip. Okay, this light purple shows historically what the appreciation rate is, but let's look at 1 year appreciation and over 5 years. So here's something I want to point out. If you are a fan, a follower, and you are not a homeowner yet, please allow my team to help serve you into getting into a home because of this reason alone. You could be walking away, let's just say 5 years from now. Look at this number of appreciation with this asset that's growing each year. Now, what you're doing now is still growing. However, you're growing that wealth for somebody else. Okay, so whether you're renting an apartment, a house, a room from somebody, there may be multiple reasons why you're renting. I would love to learn your story, and I would be honored if you'd go to my website, which is thedeborahbird.com. Take 5 minutes to invest in yourself and apply. It takes 5 minutes. It's completely free, and you have my team that's going to literally wrap our arms around you and create this ninja mortgage strategy to get you this kind of appreciation, because there's no sense in throwing it out the window. And whether you're scared about not having any funds for down payment, you could be scared about credit, you could be scared about the whole process, not even knowing where to begin. Maybe you're just a looky-loo and you've been online looking at homes, but you haven't taken that next step to see what it takes to qualify, which is the biggest needle mover when it comes to buying a home, is typically you need a mortgage. So I work with the best real estate agents. I have the best team that can assist you. Take the time and invest in yourself and look at this appreciation you can have. Okay? So, again, if you're a fan or follower and you know somebody who could benefit from this, please share my information with them and let's get them taken care of. Okay? Let's look at our inventory for Collin County. Right now, this is the total number of homes for sale. We have 3,700, roughly about 3,787 homes for sale. That's about one home per 248 people. Okay, so this is our year-over-year growth. We're up 25%. And then our month-over-month growth, which right now is still, it's steady. It's not positive or negative. Now, real estate agents. Let's look at this total population of Collin County. Okay, really look at this, please. Of our total population here, see this little light blue piece? That's the total number who are renters. But look at this number. These are the total number of renters who could afford to purchase. So I want all of these people, and I need y'all's help finding these 61,000 who are currently renting who could be buying. And I get it, it may be scary. You may not know where you're going to be a year from now, 2 years from now, so you may not know if buying a home is best, or maybe even where to buy. Again, I can help you, and I work with real estate agents who would be honored to go and show you the pros and cons for whatever your situation may be. but just find out, because look, there's 61,000 of you. In fact, I think we should have a competition with some kind of drawing or award of whoever can send the most amount of renters our way that we can help. There should be a reward to these people, because there's no reason. In fact, I want to see week over week this number continue to decrease, because I won't be able to go to bed at night. In fact, I even lose sleep when I hear that there's someone using another lender besides my team. I almost cringe because I know they're not going to get the level of service that we can provide, let alone the true mortgage strategy. So just by definition, a mortgage banker or originator takes a loan application and determines what you qualify for based off lender guidelines. I take a completely disruptive approach and have a team where we each play our position at a really high level. So if you can imagine a team of Hall of Famers, we each own our lane and we execute at a high level because it's what we love to do. And because I can leverage some of those things, I can invest and saturate myself in learning the market, studying the market, being certified in different niche programs to be able to best assist these renters, okay, with options like down payment assistance, or if they need help with covering closing costs, how we can use a strategy with interest rates on this. I mean, you name it. That's the benefit of working with a mortgage bank versus like a retail service where maybe they only can sell their program. I have access to all lenders, BB&T, Chase, Wells Fargo, Stonegate, and I can look at a whole bunch of different traditional mortgage options. I even have an investor who, as long as you can put 20% down. In fact, I had a client yesterday, 400 credit score, but they had 20% down. I used my non-traditional mortgage partner. It was a 9.5% interest rate, but it solved the problem. They got a home while they're working on their credit with my credit partner, and even though they have a 400 credit score, they were still able to buy and not rent. So just let me see kind of what your story is and how we can best help. Okay, this next section is pretty cool. It shows based off demographics, the total population. This one's for buyers ages 27 to 35. This is how many we have in that demographic, and then how many homes would be needed to account for these number of individuals. Now, we do take in consideration that some of those individuals may marry. Okay, so this shows the actual annual homes built, and these four boxes here kind of shows the what's left over, okay? It's a surplus. So this is kind of just a neat little demographic view, and we focused on ages 27 to 35 because, in case you didn't know, 48% of the home buyers last year were millennials, okay? So that's kind of a little interesting statistic. We don't discriminate. We take all buyers. Even if you're a lender list, maybe you know a lender, maybe you're already pre-approved. We want them all because just a 20-minute conversation is probably going to save you thousands of dollars in the long run just with the strategic approach we have. So this is probably what is our biggest driver when it comes to our housing here in North Texas. So again, the trump card is always jobs, employment. So we are on a positive slope for employment. You can see our unemployment rate is the lowest it's been in a long time, and then our affordability index is healthy as well. So overall, your teacher report card for Collin County from your lender partnership, I would say we are looking really strong. And if you are currently renting and you want to see what you qualify for, please go to my website. It's Deborah Bird, thedeborahbird.com. Go ahead and apply. I can then match you up with the real estate agent once we see what that sweet spot is of how much of a home you qualify for, what that makes your monthly payment, and what to expect for total out of pocket. Once we dial in on those figures, then we can connect with a real estate agent and get you on a search, maybe look at some open houses so we can get you out of renting. And again, any of my agent partnerships, if you need this for your specific county or you would like a soft copy, please let me know. I'm happy to help and would love to receive any referrals of clients maybe you've spoken to in the past week, or maybe of any open houses you have this weekend that you would like for us to follow up with. My team here and ISAs and pre-qual specialists are ready for it. So you'll have a great weekend, and hopefully this Fortune follow-up Friday tip was beneficial for you. Y'all have a great day.